Now let's go on an important part here, and I know that you are all get confused in this part. This part is complete in the same pattern. We have here what? 6, 36.
216.
Okay, what are the next two numbers? I will see the first number and the second number. There is a big difference between them. A big difference between them. So I'm going to think 6 becomes 36 how? How 6 becomes 36? I multiplied it by what to get 36? 6 times 6. Excellent. So I'm going to multiply 6 each time. I'm going to multiply 6 each time. Here I'm going to say 216 times 6 equal what? And I got the equal, it's 1296. Again, I will multiply by 6. 1296 times 6. Let's make it together here. If I say 1296 times 6. 6 times 6 equal 36. I will write 6 and carry up 3. Excellent. So now the next one, 9 times 6 is 54, and 54 plus 3 equal 57. So I'm going to write 7 and carry up 5. Now 2 times 6 equal 12, and 12 plus 5 equal 17. So I'm going to write 7 and carry up 1. Now 1 times 6 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equal 7. So we got 7,776. Let's see if we are right. We have what? 7,776. We are right. Okay, now let's move to the next exercise. We have here what? We have here 10,000, 1,100. What we notice here? We have here 4 zeros, and here 3 zeros, and here 2 zeros. So the zeros here is going to decrease. Here 4, 3, 2. So the next will be 1 0 and 1. It will be 10. 4, 3, 2, 1 0 and no zeros. So we got 1. Okay, next one again. I have 5 and 25. I'm going to think 5 times what equal 25? 5 times 5. Excellent. So I'm going to multiply by 5 each time. 625 times 5. I will make it in a graph and get the answer, and the answer will be 3,125. Again, I will multiply by 5. 3,125 by 5, and it's 15,625. Next point here with us. If I have a question like this, find the product of multiplying 253 by 5. When we see product, we are going to make times. Excellent. When we see product, we are going to make times. So I'm going to multiply 253 by 5. 253 times 5. 3 times 5, 15. I will write 5 and carry up 1. 5 times 5, 25. And 25 plus 1 equal 26. I will write 6 and carry up 2. Now 2 times 5 equal 10, and 10 plus 2 equal 12. So I will get 1,265. Okay, the next question, he wants me to find 725 multiplied by 3, and again multiplied by here meaning times, multiplied here meaning also times. So we are going to multiply 724 by 3, and we will get that answer. Make sure that you will get that answer. Next one is twice the number 1,500. Twice here meaning what? Twice here meaning times 2. Times 2. So we're going also to multiply 1,500 times 2. Why times 2? Because we have here twice, and twice meaning times 2. I will put the 2 zeros, and 15 times the 3 equal 30. Okay, next one. 7 times the number 2310. Again, when we see times, we are going to make by. So we are going to say 2310 by 7, and I will put the 0 and then multiply that number by 7. I will get that number. Make sure that you put that number. Okay, next exercise here. I have only two exercises left. 4,336 times 2. 4,336 times 8. You will say we will make the brackets first, and then we will make that brackets second, and then we are going to add them. I will say that's right. But why we have to do all that? I can do it so easy. How? I will look to that number, 4,336. I have this same number here, 4,336. They are the same. So I'm going to take only it once and write it like this. 4,336 times. I will write it once. And then what's left here? 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. And 2 plus 8 equal. So I'm going to get the product of this multiplication. I will put the 0, and then I have 4,336 times 1, just 4,336. Okay, now we have three numbers multiplied by each other. 2 times 5 times 115. I'm going to take the first two numbers, which is 2 times 5, and it's 10. Now I have 10 times 115. It will be 1,110. Okay, here are some applications for helping you in multiplication and to practice more exercise on multiplication. These applications are this one. You can find it on Play Store. And this is the link for that application. You will like it so much. And here is another application that can help you to memorize multiplication table very well. And this is the link for that application. I hope you enjoy it very well.